Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back again to my channel here. In this session, how to live trade Forex today in this 2022 11th of August. Alright, so yes. Okay, so we are going to plan out what we're going to focus in our trade today. Alright, so that we will be able to have a better focus, so that we will be able to focus what we are going to trade in the London session. Right? Hi Greg, 你好. Right, so hi Hubert, nice to see you here. Sabrina, yeah, Flora, right, Carol, yes. Okay, so Fab, 你好. Bradley, nice to see you here. Okay, so nice. Trinette, 你好. Alright. So yeah, I think yes, we are now heading into this session. Let's head into my MT4. Okay. All right. So yep. Am I in my MT4? Yeah. Where? Yes. I couldn't find my MT4. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. So yes. Okay. Yeah. Let's move into my MT4 here. Right. Aussie Cat. Let's take a look at Aussie Cat. So Aussie Cat, right now it has going on the bull side. Yes, we have been identifying this bull for quite some time ago. So buying is always possible. Right now it's still on the bull side. Buyers, you can take note. All right, for sellers, have to stay away. Okay, so Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc. So Aussie franc over at this point here, Aussie franc. Okay, so what we are going to do is that Aussie franc, right, and Aussie franc, right? Aussie franc, are we looking for a bear? We are now into the bull, but it has been hover around the bull area. Once it get into the bull. All right. So right now it's still in this area hovering around. So tentatively, it's still in the bull. I will still consider a buy. I will not consider any selling. All right. Although yes, there's some ranging over in this area. So possible that it come down for another 50 pips if it's ranging around in this area. All right. But however, I will not go against the trend. Okay, I will not go against the trend. All right. Hi, Gamerzone. Nice to see you here. All right. So Aussie yen. Yep. No face cam. Yes. Right. In this session, no face cam. All right. So yeah, in the London session, you will see me. All right. So remember to come back here. All right. So yep, okay, in Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen over here, okay, Aussie yen over here. Tentatively we are in the bear. However, this bear is having a retracement to retest the bear zone here to see if it's actually going to break through. Okay, all right. So for Aussie yen, tentatively, okay, I will be avoiding. Okay, I will be avoiding. So I won't be actually coming into any selling at the moment. All right. However, okay, we can take a look at this point here where we can see there's a whole area of a resistance. Am I right? So if I'm going to start selling, okay, seems like for the past 3 days we have already started to consolidate over here. So not sure where to go. But at the moment. Okay, if it's hitting on this resistance, let's see the space here. We have 42 pips. If it's going to retrace downwards into a ranging state, yes, we can sell. Okay, but make sure you are trading in the 40 pips. All right. Okay, so not more than that. Okay, not anything more than that. All right. So currently, I will be putting this into my selling list for ranging trading. Okay, sideways trading over here. So over here, we're going to retest this resistance, then come back here for the support. We have about 40 pips. All right. So just take note about this. Okay. Okay. So let's move. Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull. So tentatively, no. Okay. Still on the buy side. Buy side, are we going still on the buy? Yep. Tentatively, yes. And right now, by looking at this, we are so near to the bear to push down in this area. So currently, if I'm looking at this area here, if I'm going to push it down, how much space do I have? Okay, so the support, I will say that the support is over here. So the resistance is here. So it's going to ranging for 25 pips as well. So it's in the ranging state. So currently, I will not put this into my list because 25 pips is not a lot for Aussie Kiwi. So tentatively, I'm going to give it a miss. All right. So Aussie dollar, we are in the bull. All right, in the bull. So we have been identifying this Aussie dollar as a bull for quite some time, and it's still escalating. So tentatively, no selling, but buyers, you can take note, especially coming soon to buy. All right. So yeah, buying is coming soon, but today looks like looks like the buying is not really fantastic yet. Okay, so I would say that there may be a chance of selling down. All right, so but the selling down is actually a pullback. So whatever it is still against the trend. So give this a miss. Okay. All right, so Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, let's take a look. Euro Aussie, we are in the bear. So today looks good to sell since we are already trying to break through the support level over here. Okay, so let's wait for it to break through the support. Once it breaks through the support over at this point here, I would say that probably we still have about 30 pips to go. Okay, so Euro Aussie, yes, Euro Aussie. Yeah, we are going to pay attention to Euro Aussie. Okay. All right, so next to go, EUROCAD. Well, EUROCAD over here, by looking at the whole trend here, we are in the bear, but this bear seems like it's actually landing in this area and hovering around this area as well. So currently, for this, we are actually into the bear, but again, is that we are now over at this part of support. Okay, and with this, the EUROCAD is actually hovering around between the bull and the bear. This is in the bull side. Okay, there's a midline here. Okay, we're over here, we have a support here, and this support over here will go into the bear. So tentatively, it's actually hitting on this, and seems like you see the price here from the support is actually having a higher support, and it seems like it's coming back here again. So if we are going to sell, this is one of the support that we should be looking at, about 50 pips. But it's a pullback. This is going to be a pullback. All right, this is going to be a pullback trading over here. So if you are good at pullback, yes, go ahead. All right, if not, then stay away. Okay, all right. So at this moment, no for me. Okay, so Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, we are in the bear. We are still running in the bear. We can see running in the bear, which is good. Okay, so tentatively, let's check it out. Where is the support that we are looking out for over here, and we are looking out for the resistance over at this point here. Seems like now it's building up a lower resistance at this point. Okay, so as you can see, this can be one of this. What we can see here seems like it's going to form up another resistance to continue the selling. Okay, so over at this point for Euro Yen, we have about 80 pips. Looks good, 80 pips. Okay, so currently, okay, Euro Yen, I will be looking out for a selling. Okay, I'll be looking out for selling over at this point here, right? So at this point, we are now still looking good for selling, but just need to wait for a while. As we can see now, we have a new cycle of selling already. A new cycle of selling. So a new cycle of selling. Yes, it looks good. So just pay attention to this Euro Yen, that we have a good chance to continue the selling. All right. So I'm going to put this Euro Yen into my watch list. Hi Roger, nice to see you here. Hi CK, 你好. Okay, so yep, Euro Kiwi, finally. Euro Kiwi finally coming in. All right, so Euro Kiwi, we are into the bull, coming in at this level. All right, so tentatively by looking at this over here, the support here. Okay, so this support here, is this going to be a bear? Right, it looks like it's going to swing down. But if you are going for selling, you can see that there are more green candles than red candles, although it's moving downwards. Am I right? However, okay, we are still against the trend if you are selling. So tentatively, I am not going to sell for now because okay, it is still in the bull. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away first. Okay, I'm going to stay away at this moment. So currently for Euro Kiwi, skip. Okay, all right. So Euro dollar. Euro dollar. Euro dollar, okay, I'm looking out for a buy. All right, so now we are actually escalating upwards, looking out for a buy. So currently, okay, currently it's still in the bull, but this bull, today we have a pullback. We are going to have a pullback retracement, okay. So right now, okay, the retracement will end about maybe another 20 pips to pull back and then continue the buying. So currently, I'm not going to trade on the euro dollar. I'm going to skip euro dollar for now. Okay, so pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie over here. Hi, Scalper Joe. Nice to see you here. Yeah, analyzing the currency pairs this session, and later I will come back in the London session. All right. Okay, so yep. And right now, let's take a look. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. We are on the support right now. So currently, I'm not going to take action for selling. So selling is no. Okay. All right. Yes, so buying is always a good one. So now for Pound Aussie, I'm looking out for a buy. Okay. Right. Yes, Scalper Joe, good seeing you as always. Thank you so much. As always, I love you very much too. All right. So, yep. Okay. So at this point here, Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD here. Pound CAD now escalating into the bull. As this bull is still running and is now coming back. It's now coming back here to retest the support, and after retesting the support, the bull is going to run. So buyers can take note for Pound CAD. Okay, for Pound franc, let's take a look at Pound franc here. Pound franc, we are looking for a selling. However, right now we are still on the support. We are right now on the support. So tentatively, if we are going to look out for selling, we should be looking out for breaking of the support first before we actually go for selling. Okay, so Pound franc is good. It's now still in the bear, so the resistance is at this point here. So we are on the support right now. So what is best right now for this Pound franc? The action taking will be waiting for it to break the support, retest, then we sell. Alternatively, let it go up first, let it go up, test the resistance, then we sell. Okay, but we only have 24 pips. Well, anyway, we can scalp it. Okay, all right. Pound franc, yes, we are in the bear, so just a matter of will it break the support for us to sell? Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put Pound franc into my watch list. Pound yen. Well, Pound yen. Okay, sorry for all this because yesterday I was having a class. Okay, so just ignore all this. All right. So yep, and at this point here, okay, so what we are looking at is that for Pound yen, right? For Pound yen. So Pound yen at this point here, we can see that the Pound yen is actually going into we are still in the bear, right? We are still in the bear. So are we still in the bear? Can I confirm? Yeah, let me check. All right. Yes, we are still in the bear. So the bear is actually now still on the selling side. So currently, okay, I'm going to set up my support here with a resistance. Okay, let me check where's the resistance. Okay, so tentatively, I would say that now the resistance is actually building up. Okay, so that's one. Okay, over here. So if there's a new resistance selling down, okay, then we will be able to sell from this area of resistance. Okay, then the new cycle has started to sell. All right, so just take note of the support nearby. Okay, we may want to take note of this, that it may come down until this level or even this level only. Okay, and it may hit back and then it may retrace. Okay, so currently for Pound yen, I'm still looking for a selling. All right, however, today I see there may be a chance that it will still go up to test the resistance before it starts selling. Okay, but never mind. Okay, we will take a look. Okay, for Pound yen. All right. Okay, so Pound yen. Okay, let's take a look today. All right, today looks like this dollar is a bit strong. Okay, so we will just need to pay attention to Pound yen. Okay, so Pound kiwi. Let's take a look at Pound kiwi. So Pound kiwi, we have been ranging, going sideways around this area. So finally, it breaks out of the ranging area now, coming into the area to sell. So we are from the bull. coming back down here. So right now it seems like selling is still possible. All right, selling is still possible. But then again, is that are we going to sell right away? I would say not at the moment. Okay, not at the moment, because I need to find where is my resistance, where is my support before I take action. Okay, so over here, and the selling over at this part here is actually quite tight over here. So I prefer to wait for it to break the support before we take action. Okay, all right. So currently, let's wait for it to break the support first. Okay, for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar right now. Pound dollar in the general view, you can see it's a downward trend, and actually escalating upwards. Form to meet up with the resistance over here. There's no trading market over right now. Okay, so we have retested this pound dollar for the resistance to form a double top here. As we can see, it's very obvious, right? So right now the double top is there. We are starting to sell. So are we going to put this into our selling list? Yes, I'm going to put this into my selling list, right? So at this moment, right, the support level, okay, we'll be looking at this level. Okay, let me put this away, right? So the support over at this point here, right? So this is one point that we are looking out for the support. Okay, so currently we still have about 50 pips to go. All right, 50. Okay, so I'm gonna put this pound dollar into my watch list, right? So next to go, dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD, by looking at dollar CAD now, all right, dollar CAD is right now we have been over here, we are still in the bear, but today it looks like it's a retracement day. So then now it's actually escalating upwards to recover the losses. So tentatively, I'm going to leave this alone. Okay, just leave this alone. All right, Naga, namaste. Nice to see you here. All right, so over here, okay, over here. Then let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc over at this point here, we are in the bear. Well, looks good to sell, but then again, is that now we are right now it's actually going to retrace upwards. Okay, to recover the losses as well. Okay, so at this point, okay, we may experience some turbulence here. Right, so at the point here, we may want to pay attention to. So currently, I think if you are right in the middle of nowhere, I think this is not really good for us. Okay, when there's no direction, it's clear enough for me, I will just skip. Okay, all right. So for dollar yen, yes, we have a good sharp selling down yesterday, right, because of the CPI. However, we are right on the support. Okay, so we are in the bear. So tentatively, as we can see from here, okay, so we pulled out this support. You can see that the support level is actually in this area. All right. So currently, I'll be looking out for a buying first. Okay, because as you can see, it's actually very clear M over here. So right now, seems like buying is actually much more on the favorable side. So I will not touch this for a moment. Okay, so just waiting for the right time to see if there's a chance for me to sell. That probably may be in the second half of the day. Okay, all right, Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. Haha, Bitcoin. All right, so now it's on the 24. Okay, after testing on the 22 over here. All right, so now it's coming for the 24. So looks good. Okay, then but then again, is that where will it actually come? All right, so yes, this is something that we are going to take a look, whereby this part here, okay, okay, it should be still escalating up. So now this is where the engine starts for Bitcoin for buying. All right, so I guess people on the Bitcoin, you can take a look already. You can start taking a look. Okay, yep. For gold trading, yes, I know. Over here we have achieved as close as to my 1812, which is about 1793. Am I right? This is the high is 1807, 1807, right? 1807. So 1807, yes, you are pretty near to this 1812. Okay, so tentatively, yeah, and currently by looking at this, we are very near towards this point here already. Okay, so tentatively is I think is retracing back. Okay, to have some pullback as well. Okay, so whatever it is, okay, just hang on with this. All right, then we will come back again. All right. So yes, let's take a look. What do we have today? All right. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm going to put this into this. All right. So just in case. Okay. All right. So yep, this is what we have here. Okay, today we are going to focus. All right, today we are going to focus on the Aussie yen to sell, Euro Aussie, Euro yen, pound franc, pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, all right. So these are all the selling. These are the selling currency pairs which I pick up. And now let's see in the London session, will we get something out of them? Okay, all right. So guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, so that we can trade together in the London session. Okay, at the same time, we are going to discuss and share all the views while we are having our discussion. All right. Okay. Yeah. Go sell. You buy. Yeah. Buy. Hi Deepa. Where are you from, Deepa? Okay. Gold is selling. No. No. The gold is selling at the moment now. Okay. We have bought from 1766. Okay. 1766. Okay. So at the moment, we have reached 1807, which is very near to my spot, my targeted price here. So now it's coming down for selling. We are waiting. We are waiting for chances to see what is the situation is like. Okay, so at the moment, all right. So shall see you later on in this London session. All right, guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Do remember to smash the like button for the effort behind the video. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you in a short while in London session. See you.